Hi, good morning, guys. Let me give you a little review of my Ella Tote from Tory Burch. I got this for this spring and summer. I thought it was really cute to pair this with, I don't know, wedges or for summer or to travel. Let me show you. It's really beautiful and spacious. Oh my God. When I saw this, I fell in love, I think, at the beginning. Let me take it out. Sorry, this is just like an informal review. Here it is. It's really, really spacious. It has one little pocket inside, and this, and one here to put your phones or whatever, your accessories. But I think this is really going to be really gorgeous to travel, like inside of the States. It's really nice. Right now, in Zappos, there is a sale going on, and it's for 25% off. This was 300 and something originally, and it's on sale. I got it on sale as well. But I think this is really cute for spring or summer. Maybe not this year, next year. Let's pray everything gets better with the COVID-19. But yeah, this is it. Guys, it's really beautiful. Let me know if you guys want me to do a review of the bag, maybe in the little future, or maybe take some pictures or video wearing outfits with this. It's so gorgeous. Let me show you down here and see the leather.